Mag-explore tayo sa Safari Park at malalapitan natin at bibisita rin tayo sa iconic River Kauai Bridge hanggang sa parang napunta kami sa Japan ng Thailand. First stop, River Kauai Bridge. Isa to sa mga famous historical spots dito sa Kanchanaburi. Kaya syempre, hindi pwedeng hindi tayo mag-stop dito. Naglalakad-lakad muna kami, took some photos, and enjoy the view before heading to our next stop. And this is where the adventure really begins. Next stop, Kanchanaburi Safari Park. And first encounter, tiger agad. Guys, hindi ko alam kung matatakot ba ako or may excite. Kasi yung ganitong chance na mapapadede mo yung tiger. Yung tiger, guys, mapapadede mo. Tapos pwede mo pang yakapin. Grabe, sobrang surreal ng moment na to. Parang hindi pa rin nagre-register sa utak ko na may tiger literally beside me. And next, probably one of my favorite parts of the whole trip. Giraffes and zebras. One-on-one encounter talaga. Pinakain ko sila. Got super close. And syempre, took a lot of pictures and videos. Tignan nyo sila, guys. Sobrang cute. Cutie pie talaga. Yun nga lang, pag may hawak ka ng pagkain, wala ka ng personal space and I love it. Definitely one of the moments na gusto mong i-enjoy pero at the same time, wait lang, picturean mo muna ako. Next stop, Death Old Railway Station. Unfortunately, umulan na nung dumating kami. Pero guys, the rain cannot stop us. Nag-enjoy pa rin kami sa view. At parang mas naging dramatic pa dahil sa pag-ulan. Last stop, afternoon tea at Shan Nature Cafe. Pagtapos ng buong araw na pag-explore, ito yung perfect place para mag-chill. And guys, may mini Japan pa dito. Parang biglang Kanchanaburi to Japan real quick. And that's for our Kanchanaburi day tour. See you in the next adventure. Bye!